Okay, so I got a pad on each point for all four sides, and this baby is ready to go up in the air. That's how she feels about it. Let's see how my lift feels about it. Ah. All right. We're up in the air, guys. There you have it. I don't want to go too high. First time, it is like a little bit more to the front, but I'm fine. Shocks. A lot of freaking salt back here. So we're gonna get this baby all washed up and cleaned up several times. All this shit. We don't even know what the hell this is all. What is all this shit? It's like rocks all over. It's cool, it's cool. And underneath, it's all covered up. But we are gonna open this covers up, couple of covers up, and we're gonna look down here and see how it looks down here. There's our calipers. And we should be able to do a lot of maintenance on this baby. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop off the wheels. But look at the tires on this baby. Look at the tires. They're gone, they're shot. That means I'm gonna have to check the suspension, get alignment done. I don't know what happened with this guy. I don't know why his tires are shot. So you can put some greasing into this baby. It is known to squeak. So right here where we are. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lubricate this. We're gonna check for plays or anything like that. We're gonna check the lower ball joints and upper ball joints. So what I usually do is I usually go to my mess in here and I go and use my pry bar to check the joints here. So whoop, this is shot. This ball joint here is shot. This ball joint is shot. So we're gonna have to get this control arm. It is not gonna be fun to do. It's not gonna be. There you go. I can feel play in here. I can feel it. I can feel it in here. Okay, I'm gonna check the bottom one here. Bottom one's gonna be something different to check. So it's most likely the top one is shot. And I definitely heard a noise coming from right here. Definitely heard a noise. Okay, there you go. Bad freaking. And it's not gonna be fun to do this. We're gonna have to remove this whole strut base here, because remember that bolt. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna call Tesla up, see if they cover me under warranty, which I doubt. Definitely bad control arm here. So let's go on the opposite side. So there's gonna be no lubrication in there. We're not gonna lube nothing up there. You see that? This side's fine. This side is fine. And I hear the noise from exactly from that side. Woo! I'm not happy about it. I'm not happy about this. Okay. What I want to do is at the same time while I'm doing this, I'm going to look down below to see the bottom. I'm sorry, bear with me guys here. So I'm going to check the bottom out too while we're doing that. So it's most likely up there. Okay. I don't see nothing moving down here. So we got our sulfur bad. Yep. If I put my finger here and I do that, I can feel a bounce in here. So that's what it is. There's no greasing, no nothing in this baby. It's gonna need a replacement. This is definitely gonna need a replacement. Shouldn't be a big deal, but long as Tesla can cover us, good. If Tesla can't cover us, we'll get ourselves a control arm. We'll bring that base down because they got a couple of bolts. The whole strut assembly should come down. And we'll do a little bit of dismantling here. That's fun. Good for us to do. Anyway, guys, there you have it. But usually what I use is I have this needle here, okay? If you guys ever want to grease anything, this is the needle with the grease gun. I usually throw some greasing in there, and that takes care of that. And I might do that for meanwhile. And you know what? Let me do my tires first, because I got tires to do, and then we'll get back to that. So we actually narrowed it down to exactly what we need here. Control arm failed on this baby, 40,000 miles.